Welcome back, everyone. Wanted to share today a family favorite recipe, something simple that we refer to as graham cracker snacks. So, only a few ingredients needed: graham crackers, peanut butter, banana, chocolate syrup, semi sweet chocolate chip morsels, and a little bit of cinnamon to top it off for decoration. So, we really enjoy this and think that you would like it, so let's do this. So, my wife is liberally applying peanut butter to each of the graham crackers. So, candidly, this is a snack that she and I usually enjoy nightly as we settle down after getting the kids to bed and watch a little bit of TV. But it's fairly simple. Just starting off with that base layer of peanut butter before we get into our next ingredient. Next up is just to slice bananas, not too thick, not too thin. My wife has got it down to a science where two bananas perfectly fill up 4 graham crackers worth of this snack. Enough of the banana business. Next up is just to get a handful of chocolate chips and place them one by one in any available pocket of peanut butter that you can find. This might be the most time consuming part of the process, but should only take a minute or two. What's best is to sneak a couple and get a jump on your evening snack. After finishing up with the chocolate chips, out comes the chocolate syrup. Just drizzle it on top in any which way or form you see fit. The great thing about this recipe is that you can't get it wrong. Any way that you're able to get these ingredients to stay on the graham cracker, you're going to thoroughly enjoy it. And lastly, just to finish the top off with some cinnamon, gives it a nice added touch. And with that, bon appetit. I hope you found this tutorial and this recipe enjoyable. Go ahead and make it and let us know in the comments what you thought. Until next time, we'll see you down the road.